फिल्म गजनी का जिक्र होता ही है एंड वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग benchmark set कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
No, sir. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told me
sound like me.
It was a night, late night, sir. And I thought it was...
Short-term memory loss.
No, we were wishing like that, rather we say.
Wishful thinking. Yes.
Wishful thinking. And rather we were promoting that to you.
Yes.
And-
Wonderful memories here. Of
And
Gajni.
it did. The first 100 crore club, Gajni is the film in the history.
Yes.
And I wish I should make another, now it is 100 has become 1000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, I want to make 1,000 crore film with him now.
So definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Gajni too. Maybe Gajni too.
So a lot of, I've been, a lot of,
Yeah, something is
on the net is going around Gajni too.
going around. No, actually,
This is where you heard it first.
we both
This is where
did
you
not
heard it
think about
first.
it. People started writing about it.
Manifestation, so it's going to happen.
So talking about history, Amir sir, this one's for you. Talking about history, of course, you've worked with this gentleman here, the very talented Che sir. So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, kya, as an actor, what did you see in him?
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah. He's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah. So we couldn't have asked for anything better.
Right.
It was such an amazing experience working with Che, and that you know got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but at one time we were living out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today. Yeah.
जैसा आमिर सर के लिए कहा जाता है that he completely वो immerse कर लेते हैं अपने को whenever he's doing a movie, right? He's 120% there और फिर वो साल महीने दिन नहीं गिनते. So वहां से कहीं से inspiration आया था that 2 years without signing any other movie. So was it like inspired by the gentleman here? इसके लिए 2 साल दे दिए और कुछ और नहीं किया.
Maybe in a way. Maybe in a way, because...
You didn't shoot anything else, just two.
No,
Oh,
no,
wow.
no, didn't shoot anything.
Wow. So we're really looking forward to this one, yeah? Wow.
Yeah, maybe in a way.
How was it?
Starting
How
there
was
is
it for you? Talk to us about that because, of course, a busy actor जो कि कह रहा है अब I'm 120% dedicated to this project and finally it is out. Talk to us about this journey.
No, as an actor, when the role really inspires you and when you're really moved by the character you're playing, the time doesn't matter, at least for me. Whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not about that. It's about translating what you had envisioned and getting that right. Because today, once the film releases and once it's out, nothing is in your hands. So at least when it's in your hands, when you have control over the product, be patient with it and do what you can. Right. So that's what I believe in.
Right. Chandu sir, based on real life stories, talk to us about that. Did you like meet all those people? Like how did it all happen?
Yeah, I mean, basically it's a emotional love story.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the after Pakistan scenes, so how Raju saved his guys.
Right.
Okay, the other 21 along with him.
Yeah.
From among those cutthroat criminals in the jail, in the Karachi jail. Okay.
Talking
And,
about me,
when
sir.
it comes to the village, Satya, Raju's love. Okay, all the way to Machilism, a small village. He goes to Delhi to get them back.
Right.
Okay, yeah, and this is a real story.
And this is looking very real on that big screen.
Yeah.
वो organic लग रहा है. That is why I asked you this question. It is looking all organic. So did you like have this on your mind? Like, did you guys discuss this amongst yourself that this is how the thing is going to be like? We want this. क्या कहते हैं? Process ऐसा होना चाहिए कुछ something like
No,
that?
I mean, as it is a real-time story, me along with my team, along with my hero, my producer, Banni Vasu, everyone, even with Bhanu Pratap, Karthik, everyone, we went there, we researched there, studied their language, their body language, everything. So it was actually, to say it, it was a bit easy for them because of we have a live example.
Right.
Yeah, to read them.
Right.
Yeah.
Arvind sir, we've got to know that recently Bunny sir also met Miss Bansuri Swaraj in Delhi.
Banni Vasu.
Bunny Vasu.
Yeah,
met
Bunny
her,
Vasu.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So talk to us about that. What was it like? Because Sushma Swaraj ji ka
this
kuch-
story happens in between 2018 and 19, where they were caught at that point of time.
Yeah.
So so about the story of the film, I think so we should not reveal so much actually.
So some things they cannot reveal,
It's a-
Just
which you will save for the film.
It's a part of suspense of the film.
Okay.
And
ये गलत सवाल पूछ दिया तूने।
certain things have happened during Sushma Swaraj stayed as an external minister.
Right.
So that we brought that part into this film.
But you know why I ask you this question is because a lot of back end research has gone into it. ये सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि दो लाइन की कोई कहानी मिल गई और उसको बना दिया. You guys have done it like you've been there in the entire process. So for you, what were the guidelines given to you? Like what was it like? Because this is not a regular movie, ना ये तो कुछ हटके. तो क्या बोला गया था आपको?
Okay, the first time when I received a call from
So he's not only music director for this film, he's also writer, sir. We discuss a lot about the story. I have lot of hours to hours discussion we have.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's not the music director. He's different. He will come sit with the story sitting, and he'll come to the sets. He will come to the dance, these things. He will think over. He will go change something, and he is slightly mad. So much.
Sir, what you said right now is a blessing. Sir.
my time of-
The biggest compliment I could ever get. Woohoo! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, uncle. Thank you. Yeah, so, yeah. So, I'm still basking in the glory of what Amir sir just said. Like me, he said, what more do I ask for, sir? I think any passionate technician has to be that mad, no, sir. The madness is what drives us to the next one. And of course, we all learn from people like you, sir. So, thank you, sir.
No, we learn from each other.
Oh,
The
see?
process of learning never stops. Yeah.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Thank you for that, sir. So, yeah, the first time when I got a call from Chandu sir and Bunny was, first they told me as a one-liner. They said, this will like we are thinking of a story like this, which happened. It's a true incident. And it was just like maybe like 2-3 minutes call. That's it. As soon as they said that one-liner, I said, let's do this movie. So it was so exciting because the border crossing in the Pakistani and all that,